As every WordPress web developer know about the WP Theme Detector website, where we can detect any WordPress website themes or plugins. For example, if I copy this website, this is a sample website, we are going to detect into WP Theme Detector, and here you can see it has been listed out all the themes, which is this one. This is the active theme has been used in this website, and there are the plugins that are listed here that are used here. And if you see the traffic of this website, this is getting more than 50,000 of the traffic, which is the value of $40,000 per month. And if you see, the most of traffic is coming from WordPress theme detector, and these are other keywords, and these are the URL which are getting the most of the traffic. So most of the traffic is getting on the main page, which is WordPress theme detector. In this video, we are going to create the similar WordPress theme detector website, where you just need to put your website URL and click on experience theme or detect theme, and it will detect the active theme and the plugins that are being used in this website. So we are going to create the similar website without the touching in the code, with using ChatGPT code generator. So let me get started. Open chatgpt.com, and here you just need to paste this simple prompt. This is a WP theme detector website, and here you just need to paste the URL of the website. Make a website like this where I can paste the URL of the website, and it can list out the plugins, themes being used in it. This should be purely in simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript inline code that I can paste inside my WordPress directly. So here, while passing this intro key, it will start writing code for you. This will be a clean code for you. Now it has been written a complete code for us. So now we need to paste this code inside our WordPress website. So it has given two parts, which is one is the PHP code and the second is HTML code. So we need to paste this code into our WordPress, and our theme detector website will be ready. So let me get into our WordPress website. Now you can see this is our empty website, and in your website you just need to go here into the dashboard. In the dashboard, we need to install a plugin which is WP code. So in the WP code, we can paste our PHP code. So here we just need to click on plugins, click on add new, and here we just need to search for a plugin which is WP code. And here, this is the plugin which is WP code, and here we just need to install this plugin. Now click on activate. Now this plugin has been activated, and now if you see here, the code snippets are here. So here, if you click on code snippets and click on add new code snippets, and here you just need to add a custom code. So I will just click on custom code, and here we just need to select the PHP code. So I just select the PHP snippets, and by selecting PHP snippet, we go back into our ChatGPT. And here is the ChatGPT. So here is the PHP code version. So we just need to copy this PHP code, go back and paste this code here inside that. So we have pasted this code, and here I just say WP theme detector code, for example. And here I just name it. You can just name it anything and click on save snippet. Now after pasting the code, you just need to click on this activate button, and it will be activated, and click on update. So now this code has been activated, and keep in mind it should be run everywhere. So it should run this code everywhere on the website. Now you just need to click on pages, and we need to add a page where we can paste the front end code. So I just click on add new page, and here we just write here WP theme detector code, anything you can just say. And here in the click on this plus icon and search here HTML. So here is the HTML code. You just need to have this one, and you go back into our ChatGPT, and here you just need to paste the part 2, which is HTML and CSS and JavaScript, and just copy this code, go back and paste this code here. Now you just need to click on publish, and click on publish. Now our WordPress theme detector website page is ready. Now you just need to click on view page, and here you can see this is a simple interface just like this. This one is the simple interface, and for example I just copy this one. This is the sample website. This is my website which I'm creating for my client. So I just copy this website URL and go back into our theme detector website and paste this website here, URL here, and just click on detect. Now it's such scanning for the website. Now you can see the Ocean WP theme is used, and if you see here, the Ocean WP theme has been used here. And go back here, the WooCommerce plugin, Elementor page builder, Ocean Extra plugin, and Elementor Pro. And here, if you see here, the WooCommerce, Elementor Page Builder, Elementor Pro, and Ocean Extra plugin has been used here. So here you can see this is working perfectly. Now you can see. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple and quick WP theme detector page or app or website for you. Now the thing is how you can get the traffic, because only with a single page you cannot get the traffic. So this is very simple. If you go here in the WP theme detector website, and here if you go here, the top providers, top themes, and so on. So here if you check in the hrefs, you can see they have a blog section. If you click on the blog section, and here you can see they have written a lot of blogs that are getting the appearance in the Google. So you simply create the website and the page and write the blog posts similarly that this website is writing, or the related to WordPress. You need to write these simple and engaging blogs that will give you the strong backlinks for your main page, and then you can get the ranking in the Google very easily. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And I have also mentioned the videos how you can write a simple and engaging blogs for you for your website, just like this website have. You can also write for you, so you can simply write. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and comment below with your thoughts. Thank you so much.